Hi all, welcome to Tech Pro Begin. It's been almost 10 years since Java 8 was released, but still interviewer definitely asked to write a code using Java 8 functional programming style during an interview. So in this video, we are going to discuss commonly asked Java 8 programming questions and step-by-step answer to those questions. Just to inform you guys, we are going to focus only on programming questions and those we will solve using Java 8 Stream API and functional programming. So that's clear. We are not going to see any theory like what feature we got as part of Java 8, what is Lambda expression, functional interface, and how it works. So we'll focus on programming questions, how to solve those questions, but wherever basic knowledge is needed to understand and solve the question, I will try to explain it. So without further delay, let's start with the first question. So first question is, given an int array, how to arrange given number in ascending order and return the list. So question is very straightforward. We need to sort the array in ascending order and return the list. So in the answer, we expect like this: 2, 4, 7. It should be in an increasing order. So let's jump to IntelliJ IDEA and solve this question using Java 8 functional programming style. So this is the given array. What we saw the array in the PPT presentation, the same array I have written here. So let me convert. So in the array, okay, let me write array dot. So in the array, so we need to convert the given array into stream. So arrays.stream taken as a array as a argument. So let me take array as a argument. Now we need to sort. So let me write in, okay, let me write here itself. I need to apply sorting because in the question asked is sorting. So sorted method is sort the given array in natural order. Natural order means it will sort in ascending order. Then we need to collect into list. So there is a collect is a terminal operation available in the Stream API that help us to collect the result into list. So collectors dot to list. Okay. So this is the sorted is the intermediate operation, and this is the collect is the terminal operation. But why this showing error? Okay, got it. So in the questions given is a primitive int array. See, this is a int, is a primitive int array, and we are collecting result into list, and list is a collection, and we know collection always deal with the object. So somewhere we need to collect that primitive into object. So in the stream there is a box function available in the Stream API. This box help to create a primitive value into wrapper 1. So here we are with the help of this box. So you know in the Java there is a boxing and unboxing. So boxing means converting primitive 1 to object 1. Unboxing means converting object 1 into primitive ones. But here our requirements, we need to collect the result into list. So we need to, so in the questions the given is a primitive array, so we need to convert into object array. Okay, so with the help of box we have done that. So let me collect this in the list. So this is the ascending order list, ascending array list. Let me print it. Let me print it how it come. Let me run and let's validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. We got the list, and the list element in available in ascending order only, 2, 4, 7, and the highest element is 120. So let's see presentation. Yeah, the answer is matching. So here the first we need to understand here. So as part of this Java 8 programming, we do we did some around 4 operation. We convert that int array into stream, then we convert it into primitive into object one, then sort, then again we apply sorting, then we collect. So sorted, box is an intermediate operation, sorted also intermediate operation, collect is the terminal operation. So what is intermediate operation, what is collector collect, and the way we return is the around more than 3 operation we have written in a single statement. So this basic concept we need to understand. So what is intermediate operation, what is collector, and what is stream chaining. So with the help of stream chaining we can write multiple operation in a single statement. So let's spend some time to understand the basic concept. So what is stream? So intermediate operation are the operation which whenever we apply some intermediate operation which will return another stream. Okay, let's consider I have a distinct, so list of there are many intermediate operation available in the stream, but I have list out some here. Okay, so distinct is the one kind of stream operation. Filter, so distinct is kind of if you want a distinct element you can apply. So filter, if you want, as per your business condition, you want to filter some result on the basis of your business scenario, like a filter internally use predicate. Predicate is again the predefined functional interface. So we need to pass filter to some boolean expression. That expression always return true or false. On the basis of that the stream result will get filter. So limit, if you want to limit something, you want some specific number of element only, you can limit. You need to pass some specific figure here. Map internally use a function interface. Function interface help us to convert one form to another form. Okay, so this also again the peak is, if you want to pick element, uppermost element, you can use peak. The skip, you want to skip certain element from the stream, you can apply this skip intermediate operation. Sorted, just now we apply. Sorted is just help to sort in a natural order. Okay, so I am saying here these are the intermediate operation, and whenever we apply it always return another stream. But let's validate here. Okay, let's consider here, let me validate distinct. See distinct return type is stream only. Let me apply skip also return another stream. And one more, already we apply sorted, so sorted also returning another stream. Okay, I think you are super clear with the what is intermediate operation. The intermediate operation is the operation whenever we apply particular function that will apply another stream. Okay, so next go to next see what is terminal operation. So again there are a lot of terminal operation in the stream. So I have listed some of the terminal operation, like all match, any match, find any, find first, non match, for each, and reduce. Also I think I forgot to add here collect. See collect also is kind of a intermediate operation. So let me validate that. Okay, see let collect is returning something. I'm getting the result, actual result. Collector, what is terminal operation? Whenever we apply terminal operation it will give actual result. Once we apply terminal operation it will perform an actual operation. Okay, so and once we apply terminal operation, then after that you cannot apply stream operation. So that's thumb rule. See stream, if I apply stream here, see I'm getting error. So once you perform terminal operation, after that you cannot use the stream API. Stream intermediate operation like this. See so stream are not reusable. Just I have added something. So in the second sentence you can focus on stream cannot be reused after calling terminal operation, and stream implementation may throw illegal state exception if detect that stream is being used. Okay, so once you okay, so that's clear. Once apply terminal operation you cannot apply the again you cannot apply the stream operation there. Okay, now again we need to understand what is stream chaining. See in the same statement we apply more than 4 operation, more than 3 operations. So what is stream chaining? So I have added one more slide for the stream chaining. See, stream chaining is like, see below, there are some expression has been written in the Java itself. Number, we got a number, then we apply, convert it into stream, then stream, we apply filter, is the intermediate operation. That filter giving us some odd number, and for that odd number again we apply some another intermediate operation, that is map, which convert one from to another. So whatever we got as part of filter, we got a some odd number, we are making square of those number and passing to next stage. And then after the map, then we apply reduce. Reduce is just sum up of all the given number. So here also one more thing you need to understand. So as part of all the intermediate operation, you know, intermediate operation internally use internal iterators. So here as part of this, see, as part of this, you know, here we got the set of array of number, it is in some random order. So here we convert into sequence of number with the help of arrays.stream. Now here filter. So as part of filter, each number getting iterated with the help of internal iterator. First 1 is coming, then 2 is coming, then 3 is coming, and as part of filter we are validating if x modulo 2 is equal to 2. So modulo is the remainder operator. So if we apply modulo operator on particular number and with a 2, if remainder is 0, then that will be a even number. If remainder is other than 0, that will be odd number. So here as part of all 4 number come to filter operation, but with the help of for this expression we got only 3, because 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So it satisfies the condition, so it come as a result of that filter expression. Now in next step, map is an intermediate operation. Here again each element getting iterated. So for each element we are making square here, and we got the result like 1 is square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, and reduce, we are summing of all the number. Each number getting iterated, we are summing and we are getting result. So in single statement we perform 4 operations, but converted into a random array, into stream, then filter, then map and reduce. So with the help of Java Stream API, we can write a very compact code and more readable code. So with the help of this statement, you can clearly understand, we convert stream, then filter, then map and reduce. So that's how this you know, and this kind of one statement and compact code industry widely accepted. Okay, so that's the reason interviewer definitely ask question on stream API. If you are comfortable to write the code and all that, then interview will be more happy. Okay, let's jump to, so before Java 8, you know, let's consider this is the function. Okay, let's consider this is the function. Just I'm typing here a function like something we got, and if you want to convert, let's consider this statement only. First you need to convert into stream. Okay, first you need to convert into stream. Then in second statement, you know, I'm explaining the traditional way of coding. Before Java 8 we used to write like this, then we need to convert into box in second statement, as part of second statement. In another statement again you need to sort that. Okay, then again for we need to collect something in the list, as part of another statement, collect the result. Okay, so as part of, so before Java 8 we used to like this. Okay, we used to write like this, because so before Java 8, as per traditional programming, we need to write, means it will take around 4 line of code or 4 statement, I would say. You know, in Java we close the statement, one statement with the help of semicolon. So in the same line I return the 4 operation. Okay, so this way we can write a very compact code and more readable code. Okay, so I think you are super clear with you know, what I explained, like what is intermediate operation, what is terminal operation, and what is stream chaining. These are the basic thing you should know Okay, so I think we need to jump on another question. Given an int array, how to arrange a given number in descending order and return the list. The question is very similar like a previous question. In the previous question, the ask was ascending order. Now here the descending order. So we can, okay, let me add something here. Find descending order list. Let me copy as it is this, because we need a change at one place only. So just copying, we can save some time. Instead of descending, we can have a ascending here. Ascending order list. So let me do this. Let me copy this as it is here. Now the ask is ascending order. Sorry, this is the ascending. Here we need the descending. Sorry, descending. The same we can write here. So as part of this question, we need a change at one place. See, so here, so we need to inform our, our sorted method. I need the result in descending order, not the ascending one. So we need to pass one comparator. So comparator, if you apply this reverse, so you will get the result in descending order. So here, so guys, if you don't know what is comparator, what is natural sorting order, what is comparator is, we can apply comparator on different field. So there is a comparable and comparator. Here is the big concept. Okay, so if you don't know what is comparator, comparable, please let me know in the comment. I will create a detailed video and I will share with you guys. Okay, so let me print this result. Cool, we got the expected answer. We got the number in descending order. So let me jump to another question. So we got the expected answer. How to sum up of number? How to sum of number of given array and return the sum? So we need to iterate all the element. We need to sum up all element and return the result like this. So here we need to sum up of all the element, and 285 we need to return as a result. Jump to IntelliJ IDE. So again, let me add some comment. Sum of numbers of given array and return the result. So again, I need to convert that arrays dot array given array into stream. So this is the int array. Okay, so int means primitive array. And one more thing here, so as part of int stream, if I pass int array in primitive array, then I will get see, for int array I got the int stream. For if I pass a long array, then I will get the long stream. For double, I will get the double. So, and in int stream we already have, as per our requirement, we need to sum up of the given element of array. So there is a sum method. We can directly utilize this sum method to get our result. So let me sum up of element of given array. Let me print it. Let me run and validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. Okay, now jump to next question. How to find large number from the given array? So here let me tell you guys, as part of this session, we are going to solve around 20 questions. First, we will solve basic programming questions, but here the complexity will increase in the further questions. Here, just like to solve the easy, means solving easy question approach will get used in solving complex problem. So here whatever we are saying, that easy question, that easy question solving approach will get used in solving complex problems. So be alert and be focused. Okay, so this question is how to find the largest number from given array. Again, question is very straightforward. From the given array we need to find the largest number. So in the answer we expect like this. Go to IntelliJ, solve this question. Let me add some, find the largest number, okay, fine. So arrays, again the same exercise, we need to convert given array into stream, pass that int array. Okay, and again we pass the int primitive int array, and primitive int, again we got in stream only here. Okay, we got in stream only. See, in the second highlighted is in stream. So in stream again we have a one method max. We can utilize this to get our result. Let me collect this. Okay, so this return as a optional. So let me collect as a get as a int. Okay, so let me int. See, one more thing. So I converted that array into int stream, and max result get as a int. So I got primitive value only. Okay, because we nowhere we converted into our primitive one into object one. So we got the int value only. So let me print max. Let's validate. So let me run to validate the result. Cool, 120 is the expected, and we got the same. Let me, okay, next question, how to find small number from the given array. So now array is very small, so we can visualize. I think 2 is the smallest number. So in the answer we expect like this only. So the question is very similar to previous one. So let me copy this as it is. So we can save some time. Instead of largest we can have a smallest number. So instead of max we can have mean number, and here instead of, again in stream we have one utility method which help to get the minimum number. So that minimum number we can utilize here. Let me print it. So 2 is the expected answer. Let's see. Cool, we got the 2 as an answer. Next, jump to next question. How to remove first 5 elements from the given array and return the list of remaining element. So question complexity is getting increased. Okay, so here we need to remove first 5 element and return the list of remaining element. So here, you know, as part of that at the time of explaining intermediate operation, there is a skip method. With the help of skip we can remove certain number from the given array. Okay, so here we are going to use that terminal operation skip to remove the first 5 element, and then we'll return the list of remaining element, just like this. Let's see the step by step in the presentation itself. So first we are going to, as part of first step, we are going to remove the first highlighted element, okay, and then as part of next step, whatever remaining elements are there, we are going to return as a list. Okay, let's see in the IntelliJ how to solve this. So again convert that arrays, convert given array into stream. Again I need to pass, and as part of I need to skip first 5 element. So in the question it asks first 5 elements skip, then I need to collect that into collector to list. Again it is giving warning because I am collecting into list, but I need to convert into primitive into object one, so I need to apply a box. Okay, good. Okay, so let me collect this result. Process list, let me type here process list, because we are doing some, we have process the given collection. Okay, so process the list. Let me print it. So before process, see, I can clearly tell you, so this is the given array. See, Java Stream API, stream chaining is very, more readable. So as part of first, let me do here something like this. Okay, see, as part of this statement, we have this result. Okay, and here, as part of this statement, we are removing this first 5 element. So as part of this expression, we will have this result, and the same result we are passing to next stage. Okay, so let me run this. Let's validate the result. So 80, 70, yeah, cool. We got the expected answer. Next, jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how to find even number available in the given array and return the list of even number. Again, that is very straightforward. We need to find the even number and return the list of those even numbers. So first of all, what is even number? Even number is the number which we can divide into two equal parts. Divide into two equal parts means it will be divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 means we will get a remainder as a 0. Okay, so what I explained, see, the number that is divisible by 2 and generate the remainder is 0, that called even number. So as part of example, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the even numbers. So in the given array, these are the even number, 4, 18, 10, 16, like this. Okay, so in the result we expect like this. Jump to IntelliJ. Again, let me add some comment. Find even number list from given array. Again, same exercise, we need to convert given array into stream, then box, because we need to collect into list, so we need to boxed, convert primitive into object one. Now we need to, what we need to do, even. So at the time of explaining stream operation, there is a filter one stream operation available in the stream. Filter, what filter do? We need to pass some expression as per our business logic, and that expression will return true or false. On the basis of that, filter will filter the result for our business condition. So here let me add filter. Okay, we need to filter. So here the number, each time, filter internally use internally iterator, one by one number will come, and here we need to add one condition. So number modulo 2 is equal to 0. If, say, modulo is the remainder operator, it always return remainder. Okay, so number modulo 2, if we get the remainder is equal to 0, then we'll consider that number will be a even number. So once then we collect that result into collector to list. So let me collect the result, even number list. Let me print it. So without running, I can tell you how the program will execute, like the approach. Okay, so here the given is this array. So here we'll have this. Okay, as part of this filter condition, what will happen? So here we are filtering the even number. So here as part of this statement will not get this. 17 also will not come here, 11 also will not come here, and the same result we are passing to next step. Okay, so let me run this. So we expect this list in the result. 4, 18, cool, we got the expected answer. Let's see to next question. How to find the odd number from the given array and return the odd number list. So in this question again, very similar to previous question. In the previous question, ask was even number, now here odd number. So odd number is the number which we cannot divide into two equal part. Cannot divide into two equal part means if we divide into 2, the number divided by 2, then we will get a remainder other than 0. So we call that number as odd number. So odd number are those numbers that cannot be divided into two equal parts. It means odd number is not divisible by 2. So here as part of example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, those are the odd number, and we can see 1 we cannot convert into two equal parts, 3 also we cannot, so those are the even numbers. So in the given array, these are the odd numbers. 7, 17, 11 are the odd number, and in the result we expect like this. So let's jump to IntelliJ and we can copy as it is. Okay, because the question is very similar, just here instead of even we can write here odd. In the odd, so here again odd, the same we can print here. So but to get the odd number list, we need to change one condition. So number modulo 2 not is equal to 0. So not is equal to 0 means that is odd number. So here as part of this, so as part of this we will have this array, and for this expression 4 is the odd. Again this will also skip, this also will filter. So as part of this expression we will get this result, and the same result we are passing in next step. Let me run program to validate the result. Cool, 7, 17, 11 or those are odd number only. Cool. So jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how do you find second minimum number? The question complexity is increased. Here the ask is, they are not asking find the maximum number. Okay, they are asking the second minimum number. Okay, so to solve these questions, we need to sort the given array into ascending orders, because they are asking second minimum number. So we need to sort the given array into ascending order, and with the help of skip, you know, in intermediate operation there is a skip method. With the help of skip we can remove first largest element, and from the remaining element we can fetch the first element with the help of find first method. You know, in intermediate operation we already saw there is a find first method. Okay, so let's see step by step the same in the presentation. First we need to get the sorted ascending array like this, 2, 4, 7. Okay, then we need to skip the first element, that is the first minimum number of sorted list. This 2 we need to remove this. Once we remove 2, then after the remaining list we will find the first, and that first is this number. So in the next step get the first element, and that first element is 4 from the previous list. Okay, so in the answer we expect second minimum number is 4. So let's jump to IntelliJ and solve this question. So I need to convert given array into stream. This is the given array, convert into box, because we need to collect that result into, okay, no need to convert into this, but better to convert because other upcoming method might need the object only. Okay, so as part of sorted, the sorted, we need to sort. Okay, and sorted will give result in ascending order. Ascending order means natural sorting order only. Okay, and sorted, then we need to remove first. So to remove first, we can use intermediate operation skip here. Skip first element, and once remove, then we can find first element again. That is a intermediate operation. See this also find first. So find first is the not a intermediate operation, sorry guys. Find first is the terminal operation, because find first giving the actual result. Okay, so find first, and in the find first get result as a get the result. Okay, so let me evaluate each step. So as part of this, we will get this. Okay, and we need to sort. I already sorted somewhere, so this is the sorted list we'll get here. And for this step, we are removing first minimum number. Okay, and then in next step we are fetching only first number from the previous list. So this will not come here. So because we are fetching only first element. So as part of result, we will get here 4. Let's collect the result. Second minimum number. Let me print it. Okay, let me add some comment. Find second minimum number from given array. Let me run it. Cool, we got the expected answer. Jump to next question. Given an array of integer, how to find second largest? Question is very straightforward, just like a previous question. In the previous question, asked what? Second minimum. Now here second largest. So again we need to find the sorted list, but here we need to find sorted list in descending order first. Okay, and from descending order we need to skip the first largest element. Then we need to, from the remaining list, we need to fetch second largest element. Okay, let's see step by step in the presentation. First, get the descending sorted list, just like this, 120, then less, 18, 17, like this. And then as part of next step, we need to remove first largest element. 120 we remove, and from the remaining list we need to fetch first element. Okay, and in the result we expect 80. So jump to next IntelliJ. So let me copy this as it is, because the question is very similar. So second minimum, so here second largest, instead of minimum, second max number, and this second max number, let me print it here. But here we need to tell to our sorted intermediate operation, I want the result in descending order. So we need to pass one comparator dot reverse order. So let me evaluate the result for each step. So this is the for this statement we will have this result, and for this let me copy. We are somewhere already converted into descending order. So as part of this step we will get result this. Okay, let me comment it. And from this step, in next step, we are skipping first element from the previous list. So this element will not have here. And okay, sorry, so we are skipping first element only, okay, from the previous list. So first element we skip, then 120 will get removed and remaining element will be here like this, okay. And from as part of next step, find first. So in next step we are fetching first element from the previous list. So here I think I need to close this first. I need to open this, okay. So here as part of this, from the previous list I am fetching only first element, okay. So here also I get the result like this. Let me validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer, we got the 80. Jump to next question. Find the first non-repeated character from the given string using Java Stream API. Question complexity got increased. So they have the given string is I like take pro begin video. So from take pro begin video means from this given string we need to find first non-repeated character. So to solve this question we need to think the approach, step by step approach we need to understand. So first non-repeated character. So here first we need to find the occurrence of each character. Then as part of next step we need to find all the non-repeated element. Non-repeated element means whatever character available single time, those we need to find. Then as part of third step we need to find first non-repeated character. Let's see step by step in the presentation. First we need to find the occurrence of each character like this. So I available 4 times, L available 1 times, K, and the third element is I already find that element as part of first character, so no need to calculate again. K is available 1 times, E is 4 times, T is 1 times. So you can understand here, you need to be focused here. So in what order we got the occurrence of each element? The character available, the character available in the order, the same order we got the occurrence of each character, okay. So that is very important here. So we need to maintain the order of each character. So in the as part of first step I is available 4 times, then we got the occurrence of L only, not the other element. So we need to maintain the order, then only we'll find the first non-repeat. Otherwise if you don't maintain order, we'll get a difficulty to find first non-repeated character. So for first step we got the occurrence of each character. As part of next step, find out all non-repeated character. So in next step we got the all character which are available single time. So here we got the map like a key value pair. Key is a character and a value is the occurrence of that character. See like that, okay. In next step we need to find first non-repeated character. So we are maintaining the order of character just like whatever the character available in the given string, the same order we are maintaining in the our result. So we can, in the next step we can just find the first character from the repeated the previous list, okay. First not repeated, okay. So as part of third step, find first non-repeated character, and that in the answer we expect L is the first non. So let's see one more time. So we got the occurrence of each character. Then in next step we find non-repeated character, means means the character which are available single time only. And next step we find the first non-repeated character, and that is the L. Because why we consider that is the first? Because we maintain the order of the character which are available in the given string, okay. So L is we expect in the answer. Jump to IntelliJ IDE and solve this question. Let me add some user friendly comment. So find first non-repeated character from given string, and given string is given string is I like, take, pro, begin, video. So we need to solve this question step by step. So we need to convert the given string into stream. So first let me convert given string into string array. So with the help of given string split without space, we can convert into string array, string str array. Let me print it how it's coming. Let me run it. Okay, I need to print. The way of printing is like this. So this is something complex question. We need to understand step by step. Okay, so we got a string array like this, means the character which are available in the string, we got the each character as a string. Okay, and so we got the string array like this. So we need to convert this string array into stream. So arrays dot stream. So we can pass this array. Okay, instead of this I can directly right click this. Okay, here we got the stream of array, and as part of next step we need to find the occurrence of each character. Okay, so in the in stream there is a as part of terminal operation, we have in the collect we can pass the collector dot group by. With the help of that we can find the occurrence of each character in the in the DB. For DB operation, if you want particular how many order customer has placed, so we order by customer. So for that, how many order customer place we get, just like this. Here we have a group by, means stream API provide the provision to get the result like DB operation. So let's me do that. Collect collectors group by. So here I need to pass char. Let me char. Okay, char only. Let me type this group by char. Okay, okay, let me collect this. So it's come. Let me as of now just char list. Let me print it how it is coming. So this is very something complex question. We need to understand step by step only, then only we can understand the solving approach here. Let me print it. Okay, so here as part of this group by we got this map, and map key is character and the list of character. So here as part of this, B is the character, I got the list of B. C is the character, list of C character. So here E available 4 times in the given string, so I got the key is a E element. Okay, character and the list of E character. So but in the as part of first step we expect like this. Okay, I miss key value pair like this. Okay, so count, we don't want the list here, we want the count, means character count, character count. So currently we are in first step only. We are in a process of getting the first step only. Okay, so let me do that. So we got the expected this function dot identity here. Function dot identity means identity of each character of the given stream. Okay, so here need to collector into counting. Yeah, collector in the counting. Let me print this. Okay, this is missing. Oh, wait. Okay, so collector count means it giving me long value, not the list. So here we need to change this into long. Let me print it. Cool. I think we got the expected answer. Character B is present one time, C is one times, D is one times, E 4 times, but it not maintain the order. I expect in the this as part of this, I expect I should be first, then L should be first, then K should be first. So why it is giving like this? Okay, got it. See, this group by default return the hash map. Okay, and we know hash map don't preserve the insertion order. So here we need to tell to our group by I need to present the insertion order. So we need to provide one collection which maintain the insertion order. So in the 2D collection, what collection is available who maintain insertion order? So as per my knowledge, linked hash map maintain the insertion order. Let me print this. Now I expect the answer like available in the our presentation. Cool. We got the I at first place, L is second place, and we got the correct order as well. Okay, at last D is equal to 1, at last D is equal to 1. Okay, we got. So first step is clear. Okay, now as part of second step, find out all repeated character. So from this map I need to see map is having entry set. Okay, I will explain sometimes. I will spend some time how map internally works. So from entry set we need to convert into stream, and that stream we need to filter. Okay, filter by what? We need to pass one expression, and we need to pass expression like that will filter the character which are available single time. So here as part of filter is the intermediate operation. So here the char is each character will iterate here. Okay, and from that okay, no, here as part of filter we will get an entry here. Okay, because from map we got the entry, and we are converting entry into stream of entry. As part of filter, here I will get the entry, and from entry I will check the entry is the key value pair. Okay, so we need to filter. So I need to check the entry who has value, the particular entry value greater than, I need to find first non-repeated character. So entry value means the character who has a present single time. So I need to check here I need to check the value of character means entry is the key value pair. The particular key, the value should be 1 only. Okay, so here I will get, and here I need to find first here, because from this result I need to find first. Okay, and from this here I will get the entry, and from here I will get the key. Okay, this is the I think result. Let me collect it. This I will explain one more time how it is coming actually, because this is something complex question. Let me run first. here we expect the first non-repeated character is GL. Cool, we got the expected answer, but let me evaluate the result. Okay, so as part of this group by function, so as part of this we got this result. Okay, first now let me Java 8 is provide the provision for streaming. So instead of this, again convert it into map. This map I can remove this like this. I can directly, we know here we got the map, so from here itself we can convert that map into entry set with this this to entry set. Okay, cool. Okay, so as part of this step we got here this answer. Let me copy it properly. Why I'm not able to copy it? Copy this. Okay, so as part of this expression we got this, okay, count of occurrence, because here we maintain the we pass the linked hash map which help to maintain insertion order. So as per till this point we got the result like this, and in further step what we are doing, we are converting entry into stream. So here also we get the result like this only, and from here we are filtering the, here each entry is the key value pair. Each entry is this is one entry, this is one entry, this is one entry. So each pair is a entry, and entry is a key value pair. I is the key, value is the 4. L is the key, 1 is the value. And this step we are filtering a entry. Which entry? The entry key has a value, and that value will be 1 only. So here as part of this we will get like this. Okay, I will not come here because key has a 4 times occurrence. E also will not come here because E has a 4 times occurrence. I also this O also not come because O has a 2 times occurrence. So as part of this we will get this, we will have this result, and from this result we are finding first. So who is the first in that entry? This is the first. L is available in the first, so this will complete remove, and we will get this entry only. And this entry key is the L, value is the 1. And from this entry in next step we will got the same, and from this entry, okay, this is the complete entry. Okay, from this entry we are fetching only key. What is the key? L is the key. So here we will get the L is the answer. So let me collect this into this string only. String. We already validated the result, I think. Okay, so we already validated the result. But here you need to understand how entry set come from this map. Till this point we got this. This is the map key value pair, and from map we extract the entry set, and entry set we convert into stream. Then we have filtered the entry, then find the first result. Find the first result means who has a value 1. Okay, so let me tell you the internal structure of map. So map. Let me tell you first map here actually. Okay, I think I have forgot to add that PPT. Okay, so this is first non-repeated. Okay, so okay, let's jump to next. Actually map is a kind of by default in map there is a 16 bucket. In each bucket there is a linked list, a place. A linked list is a set of entry. Okay, so in each bucket you will find the entry key value pair like that. So that's the reason we are extracted entry from this map, and for that entry we filter. Okay, jump to next question. Find the first repeated character from the given string using Java 8 Stream API. First repeated character. Okay, first repeated character. So the question is similar like a previous question. In previous question asked was first non-repeated character, but here the first repeated character. The solving approach will be same to this question, just like a previous question. We need to get the occurrence of each character like this. Okay, how many types each present, and we need to maintain the insertion order also. And now here the first repeated character. Okay, so first repeated character means in the next step we need to filter all the entry which are available. Entry means the character which is available more than one time. So here in next step we need to filter those character. So we have filter out. So I is available 4 times, E is available 4 times, O is available 2 times. In the next step we need to find the first repeated character. So we maintain the insertion order just like a given string character is present. So from this step, this step we can easily fetch the first character which is available in the previous list, just like this. So I is the first repeated character we expect in the result. Let's go to IntelliJ and solve this question. Okay, so we can copy as it is. Let me copy this only. So this is first non-repeated key, first non-repeated key. This is the first repeated key. We can print this as it is. But at one place we need a change. Okay, so here we need to filter the result. We need to filter the entry here. The entry key value has more than 1. So here we need to change the conditions. Okay, greater than is equal to 1. So here from this result, so till this point our logic is same, but for this question we need to filter the result. Filter result for what? We need to, here we are filtering entry, and that entry key has a so we need to filter the entry who has a value is more than 1. So I is available more than once. So okay, so here I will not have this value. Okay, and O also available more than 2 times. Okay, see, entry we are checking entry value more than once. So I is available more than once, 2 is more than once. So B also G 1. Okay, I think 2 character only. I think we miss 1. Okay, E also available more than once, so E also will come in the same order. So here we need to maintain the order. So for maintaining order, here we use the linked hash. That is very important point. Okay, without this we cannot get the actual expected result. Okay, so here from this we are fetching first character which are available more than 1 times. From here we will get the same result. And for this next step we are fetching only key, and key is entry. For this entry, this will get complete entry. From this entry we are fetching only key. So here I expect the answer is I. Let's validate the result. Cool, we got the expected answer. First repeated key is, means instead of key we can say character. I think you are super clear with this question, and this question was a little tricky, so we spent good amount time. I think you are super clear. Still, if you have any problem or you are not able to understand particular step, please let me know in the comment. I will try to explain this. I will try to answer in the comment itself. Okay. Okay, let me go to next question. Okay, now so in this presentation we can see, let's see some difficult custom object scenario based coding question. So till now we have implemented Java 8 Stream API on predefined data type like integer, string, double, etc. But in real time project we deal with the real time object that we call as custom object. Here real time application means like bank application or real time e-commerce application like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. and many more applications that we use in our day-to-day life. Let's talk little on bank application. As we know, bank application is very vast application. So in bank application we can have many sub application like loan project. In loan project we can have a home loan, personal loan, mortgage loan, education loan. Again there is a many kind of loan. One more sub application like account. In account application we can have saving account, current account, student and many more. So here for opening saving account we need to provide detail of the person who wants to open account in a particular bank. Everyone familiar with the bank application. As we know, when we open a bank account whether offline or online, we need to provide certain detail like name of the customer, address, proof of document, mobile number, what kind of account you want to open and other detail as per the application. So here as per the business domain and functionality we need to create a custom object in real-time application. Just to inform you, I have already created another video where we have applied Java 8 Stream API and functional programming on custom object. So you can find the link in the I button and also in the description. Please check that video for more detail like how to apply Java 8 Stream API and functional programming on custom object. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Tech Pro Begin. We will meet soon in upcoming Java related video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.